You were once the underdog. Now you are the leader that everyone inspires to be like, and some of these individuals need your help. You were always the highest in the room, in whatever room you were in, but some of you downplayed your talents and your gifts. Some of you weren't aware of how powerful you really were. Others knew. Oh, they knew. They knew how powerful you were. They could sense this energy off you. And when they got to know you, they realized your true depth, the wisdom that you possess, the love that you exude. They placed you in categories because of your beauty, because of your compassion in some cases, because of your empathy. You may have connected with love interests who took you for granted, who placed you in a box, who felt like you were going to play them in some way, based off your looks or based off your charm, charisma, your magnetism. You were downplayed. And people may have felt like because you looked a certain way, because you came from a certain background, you would act in a certain way, which resulted in some people treating you in a certain way. People not wanting to connect with you, fearing about how it would look to their friends. People isolating you, people placing and propping up people above you on pedestals that didn't deserve to be there. Then realizing that who they chose over you was everything that they thought you were going to be. Realizing that who they went towards ignited their demise. You see, people saw you as the underdog. And Spirit wanted them to think of you in this way. Spirit wanted to expose the truth within others. Spirit wanted to expose to people who they truly were. These individuals exposed the fact that they were prejudiced, classist, and they were confronted with this truth when they connected with you. They judged you because of your background, because of the way you talked, because of where you lived, because of your job. They made assumptions about you, looked down upon you, dismissed you, when all you were trying to be in these individuals' life was just your true authentic self, hoping that they could connect with you in the same way. But these individuals, they hide behind the shadows. They hide behind their own lies. And you held a mirror to who they could be, but they refused to transform. And these individuals intentionally held back. They held back on moving forward with you in whatever capacity. Maybe taking a relationship seriously with you. Maybe breaking up with you suddenly for no reason for some of you. Maybe holding back on resources in some cases. Feeling like you were a risk to invest in. And you clocked the play. You saw the way these energies were maneuvering around you. And they may have said, no, it's not like that. But energy doesn't lie. They already made up their mind about you. And so you took your energy away. And by you taking your energy away, it's now making these people be in their feelings. The same way that they made you feel. When all you wanted was for them to see the truth about who you were. Spirit didn't want you to broadcast about your credentials, about your wisdom, about your knowledge, your background. For some of you, you come from a very prestigious background, but you downplayed this fact because you wanted people to connect with you on a soul level. For some of you, you make more money than everyone else that you were around, whether that was in regards to university, work, college, whatever the case is. But you didn't want that to be at the forefront of your representation of you. For some of you, you didn't come from money, but your energy did the talking. Your lack of knowledge is immense. Some of you didn't have enough resources to put yourself through college or university or whatever the case is. And you were undermined because of this, when you were more intelligent than everyone else in the room, where you had more capabilities than everyone else in the room. And so you went where you were celebrated, and you excelled, and you will excel. And these individuals that downplayed you, downplayed your energy, are going to realize who you really are and who they chose over you. And now these individuals are going to realize that their lack of investment forced you to invest in self. Some of these individuals really had an opportunity to have something great with you, to collaborate with you, to work with you, to be in a romantic relationship with you, and they held back. They held back intentionally because they felt like to invest in you will be to their detriment. And they chose to invest in others who were plotting their downfall, or who were showcasing an energy that was false, that was fake. And this was these individuals' karma, to realize that they shouldn't take anyone at face value. You were a spiritual test to these people, and they failed. Now these individuals have a lot of guilt, or they will be experiencing a lot of guilt. You know, they will feel like they've missed out on an opportunity, especially when they hear about your success, your victory, because you are on your way to achieving major success. I'm talking about success on a grand scale. You know, being respected by higher ups, being known for your skills and your talents, being sought after. The circles that you are going to move in, these individuals can only dream of what you are going to experience, or what you have experienced for some of you. And Spirit wanted it to be this way. Spirit wanted to see how these people would treat you during the time when you were still trying to make your way. And now these people are kicking themselves because they realize that they missed out on a real one. They may try and perfect their image and re-enter your life, because they will want to be a part of your life. They will sense or witness or hear of you growing, of you exceeding in certain areas that are out of this world to this individual. These individuals realize that they were being tricked by others, manipulated by others. They felt like you were trying to trick them. They felt like you were leading them down a pathway of destruction, when maybe all you needed was support. These people were not connecting to their internal. But now, since your removal, since your growth, their instincts have kicked in and they are getting a aha moment. Why didn't I see much sooner? These individuals will see you basking in your joy and abundance that you would have created for yourself. Because your inner world will reflect your outer world. But these individuals are so 3D based, they just didn't get it. They just believe what they want to believe. And they are so easily manipulated. These individuals see you as a miracle because you are going to make your dreams become a reality. They're going to hail you as magical. When they witness or hear of the accomplishments that you are going to achieve, they are going to want some of your magic dust also. These same individuals that may have looked down upon you, that disregarded you, that chose others over you, they're going to want some of your sauce now. How about that? And they're going to be checking themselves and what they perceive as the truth. Because it took for you to detach from them and to pour into yourself, to create your dreams and turn them into a reality. It took for you to do that, for them to see who the highest is in the room. And they're going to be looking at certain people kind of funny now. People that they believed were better than you at a time. And it's not about comparison. You know, it's about not judging people and giving people a chance. And these individuals coming into some real realizations about their values. And it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable to accept certain truths. You know, because they put people up on pedestals that they felt were more deserving because they came from a specific background, specific family, whatever the case was. And they treated you unfairly. And they're going to now see your growth. Whoever they viewed higher than you lacks the abundance that you possess within. And guess what? You're going to make triple the money that these individuals make. If it was a money thing. If it was a situation whereby they looked down upon you, they treated you a certain way because of your lack of money, you will make more money than these individuals and whoever they compared you to combined. But it's not about money to you. It's about respect. And you don't need to tell these individuals how much money you got or how much money you don't have. Your energy does the talking for you. This person's going to see your growth. They're going to be so taken aback. And they're going to start praying hard for a renewal with you. To re-enter your life again. To apologize for some of you for their disgusting behavior. Because you didn't deserve it. And they may say, oh, it wasn't like that. Oh, I didn't. It was like that. It was like that. Maybe they were not conscious to the fact that they were treating you like that. But it stemmed from it being like that. And now they're going to have to accept, and others who were part of whatever this thing was, they're going to have to accept that You were the highest all along, but you were just in disguise. And unknowingly expose them for who they are and for how they treat others. Keep shining, keep glowing. Take care of yourself, butterflies. Peace out.